Hello everyone. In last class you have seen synchronous up counter. Okay. Today we will discuss up down synchronous counter and non-binary synchronous counter. In up counter. Okay. This is example of your mod 16 or 4-bit synchronous counter. TA0 is 1, TA1 is A0, TA2 is A1, A0. Okay, similarly TA3 is A2, A1, A0. Now in down counter, what will happen? In down counter, it will count from n minus 1 towards 0. Suppose there is mod 8 down counter, it will count first 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Again it will go to 7. Okay. Now we talk about up down synchronous counter. In this we will make a common circuit. Okay. And we will give one control line. Up is a control line. Okay, if value of this up oblique down bar is 1, it will count towards up direction, means it will work as up counter. In if its value is 0, it will work as down counter. Okay, this is your 3-bit up down counter, or you can say mod 8 up down synchronous counter. In up counter it will count first 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then again it will go to 0. In down counter first it will count 1, so 111 means 7, then 1106, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0, again it will go to 7. Now it totally depends upon the value of your up control line, or you can say selected line. You are already aware with up counter what is TQ0 1. Why? Because after every clock pulse it is toggling, so this is 1, and Q1 is toggling when this Q0 is 1, so TQ1 is Q0. Q2 is toggling, it is toggling from 0 to 1 when both Q1 and Q0 are 1. It means what? If both inputs are high, means it is case of AND gate. So TQ2 is Q1, Q0. Now what you will do in down counter? In down counter you do not need to worry, just complement Q2 bar, Q1 bar or Q0 bar. You will get the first state 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0 is the first state of your up counter, and 1, 1, 1 is the first state of down counter. If we complement 1, 1, 1, it will become this. So TQ0 is 1, TQ1 is Q0 dash. Okay, similarly TQ2 is Q0 dash and Q1 dash. Now we will combine both these two, okay, by using a selected line, or you can say control line up. Okay, from these two equation TQ0 is 1, there is no problem. Then TQ1, Q0 dot up, ठीक है, प्लस Q0 dash up dash, Q0 dash up dash, this is Q0 dash up dash. TQ2 Q0 Q1 up plus Q0 dash Q1 dash up dash. Alright, how it is working? When value of up is 1, okay, up is 1, what will be value of TQ1? It will be Q0 plus 0, so TQ1 is Q0. When up is 1, TQ2 is Q0 Q1 into 1, Q0 Q1 plus 0, so it is working as up counter. When up is 0, what will happen? TQ1 is, this is 0 plus 0 dash 1, 1 into up dash, 1 into, sorry, this Q0 dash into 1, this is Q0 dash, so it will work as your down counter. Okay, for this we require 2 AND gate and for plus 1 OR gate. This is your circuit. Just make 3 flip flop and apply common clock pulse to all the flip-flops. Okay, now what is TQ0? This is 1, connect to plus 5 volt or logic 1. Then TQ1, Q0 up, Q0, and this is your up line, okay, control line, up, plus Q0 dash up dash. Q0 is coming from here, Q0 dash is coming from here, and up dash, up line NOT gate to get up dash. Q0 dash up dash is coming here, so use OR gate for plus. Now connect to this. Similarly for this is Q0 up, okay, this you are getting Q0 up, and this is Q1, so Q1 Q0 up. Similarly this is Q0 dash Q1 dash up dash, and connect output of OR gate to this TQ2. So value of up is 1, it will work as up counter. If value of up is 0, it will work as down counter. Okay, you can use, instead of these two and one OR gate, you can also use what? Just remember, this is nothing, this is the equation of what? 2:1 multiplexer. Okay, instead of, you can also use 2:1 multiplexer. What will be the selected line of multiplexer? That will be your up. Okay, and I0 and I1 will be the selected line of 2:1 multiplexer. When up is 0, then I0 is selected, and that case Q dash will be connected. Okay, and it will work as down counter. When up is 1, what will happen? I1 will selected. I1 will be selected. So Q0 is selected. So what you need to do? Just connect Q0 to I1 and Q0 dash to where? I0 input line. Okay, if value of selected line up is 1, it will work as up counter. If its value is 0, it will work as down counter. Okay, now we will see synchronous non-binary counter. Okay, synchronous non-binary counter or BCD counter. I am taking example of BCD counter, or you can say mod 10 BCD counter, mod 10 counter, mod 10 synchronous counter, mod 10 parallel counter, or simply you can say BCD synchronous counter. Now you can design any circuit, okay, with any count sequence, either mod 12, mod 13, mod 9, mod 22, and any sequence 1, 2, 5, 7. Just you have to remember the basic things. Okay, what is the procedure? What you will do? The very first step is just you have to draw the present state, next state table. Okay, this is nothing, this is also called transition table. You will draw first, then you will determine number of flip-flops required. Okay, then with the help of excitation table, you will determine value of flip-flop inputs. Last step is draw the circuit with required flip-flop and any suitable logic gates. Okay, now this example of mod 10. Okay, what will happen in mod 10? It will count from 0 to 9. 0 initially, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, after 9 again it will go to 0. Now we will make present state, next state table. This is your present state, next state table. Okay, Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0. This is present state. Q3 plus Q2 plus Q1 plus Q0 plus, it is next state. First 0, 0, 0. It will go to 0, 0, 1. What is the present state of 0? It will be 1. Just copy from here to next line. This 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next state 1. What will be next state of 1? 2. So 0, 0, 1, 0. Next 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Next state will be 0, 0, 1, 1. Means you have to remember next row is, suppose this is state, its next row, this is the next state. So I am writing this 0, 0, 1, 1 just here. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then 0, 0, 1, 1. What will be the next state? 0, 1, 0, 0. So I am writing here 0, 1, 0, 0. Next 1, 0, 0, 4. Next state is 5. Next 0, 1, 0, 1. Next state will be 6. Then similarly 7, 8. Okay, 0, 1, 1. Next state will be 8. Next 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, what will be next state? 1, 0, 0. Sorry, 8. Next state will be 1, 0, 0, 1, 9. Then 1, 0, 0, 1, 9. What is the next state? 0, 0, 0. Okay, now with the help of acceptance table, you will determine value of T3, T2, T1 and T0. You know, in mod 10 maximum state is 9 and to represent 9 we require what? 4 flip-flop. So I am taking Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0. Okay, and whose inputs are T3, T2, T1, T0. Now what is T3? I already told to you this T flip-flop always follows XOR gate property. If Q3 is T3 XOR Q3 plus is T3 XOR Q3, then what will be T3? It will be Q3 XOR Q3 plus. So T3, Q3 XOR Q3 plus, which is highlighted by red color. So determine XOR gate 0, 0, 0, then 0, then 0, then 0. Okay, there are continuous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continuous 7, 0 here, 7, 0. You know 0 XOR 0, 0. So I am writing 0. Then 0 XOR 1. This is 1. Then 1 XOR 1. It will be 0. Then 1 XOR 0. It will be 1. Similarly T2. Okay, T2 is nothing. It is Q2 XOR Q2 plus. Okay, Q2 XOR Q2 plus. So 0, 0, which is indicated by what? Blue color. 0, 0 XOR 0. Then there are continuous 3, 0, continuous 3, 0. You can write down 0, 0, sorry, 0, 0, 0. Then 0 XOR 1, 1. Then 1 XOR 1. This is 0. Okay. Then 1 XOR 1, 0. Then 1 XOR 1, 0. Then 1 XOR 0, 1. Okay. 0 XOR 0, 0 XOR 0. Similarly, find out for T1. Okay. T1 is Q1 XOR Q1 plus 0, 0 XOR 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Similarly, 0, 1 XOR 0, 1. Then 0 XOR 0, 0, 0 XOR 0, 0. Now T0, Q0 XOR Q0 plus 0 XOR 1, 1. You can see here is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Here is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So opposite. So always 1. Okay. Now what you will do? Now you will solve with the help of K-map, 4 variable K-map, because there are 4 flip-flops, Q3, Q2, Q1 and Q0. What will be T0? Just write down in terms of min term. T0, it is M0 plus M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M5 plus M4 plus M6 M plus M7 plus M8 plus M9. So I am writing from M0 plus M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5 plus M6 plus M7 plus M8 plus M9. Now what will happen? From min terms 10 to 15, because we are not using. Okay, so if these min terms you are not using, you will write down don't care. So from D10 to D15 there will be don't cares. So you have to remember while you will design synchronous non-binary counter. If you are not using any minterms, okay, if these sides there are no used minterms, then you will write down don't care terms. Okay, similarly what will be T1? Okay, T1 it will be M1 plus M3 plus M5 plus M7, okay, plus sigma D 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What will be T2? It is sigma M 3 and this is your 7 plus don't care terms 10 to 15, all terms from 10 to 15. What is T3? It is sigma M, this is your 0, 1, 1, 7, 0, 1, 1, 7 and 9 plus sigma D 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now with the help of K-map you will solve. Okay, you are already aware with K-map, so I am not solving here. When you will solve, you will get this equation. Okay, T0 will be 1, T1 will be Q3 dash Q0, T2 is Q1 Q0, T3 is Q2 Q1 Q0 plus Q3 Q0. Okay, now draw the 4-bit decade or BCD counter. We require 4 flip-flop, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, apply common clock pulse to all the flip-flop. Now what is T0? It is 1. What is T1? Q3 dash Q0, T3 dash Q3 dash and Q0. Q0 is coming from here, okay, and Q3 dash, this is your Q3 dash. Okay, so apply AND gate. Next T2, it is nothing, Q1 Q0, Q1 is coming from here and Q0 is coming here, so this. Next what is T3? T3 is Q2 Q1 Q0, Q2 Q1 Q0. Okay, Q2 is coming here and Q1 Q0 is coming from here, plus what? Q3 Q0, this is Q0, this is Q3, Q3 Q0. Apply OR gate to get this equation, apply to T3. Okay, in this manner you can design any synchronous non-binary counter. Again I am repeating, the very first step is what? You have to make present state and next state table. This is your present state, next state table. Okay, or roughly you can make this table. Then what you will do? You will determine number of flip-flops. You know to represent 9, because maximum state is 9. We require 4 flip-flops. So Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0. Then present state, next state table you will implement, and now with the help of excitation table you will determine value of T3, T2, T1 and T0. Okay, now you will solve every flip-flop input with the help of K-map, and which is function of, always you have to remember, T3, T2, T1, T0, it is function of present states only, means Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0. Okay, and which terms you are not using, you will make them don't care terms. Okay, in K-map you will write down all the don't care terms which are not used in present state. Then finally you will draw the circuit. Okay, it's all about your non-binary synchronous or parallel counter. Just practice it, and if you face any problem you can contact to me. I will clear your doubt.